Welcome to Gold Cipher. If you filed your taxes and owe more than you can pay right now, this video is for you. The IRS would rather collect over time than chase you. There are 5 legitimate options on the table, and we're walking through all of them right now. 3 million plus Americans are on IRS payment plans right now. You are not alone. For numbers frame everything. Over 3 million taxpayers entered installment agreements last fiscal year. If you can pay in full within 180 days, the short-term plan costs $0 to set up. The long-term monthly plan is $31 online with direct debit. And the number that creates urgency, the failure to pay penalty runs at 0.5% per month on your balance. Every month without a plan, that clock keeps running. 5 legitimate options and one that makes everything worse. Option 1. Pay in full. Even borrowing on a 0% intro credit card is cheaper than 6 months of IRS penalties. Option 2. Short-term plan, 180 days, 0 fees. Option 3. Long-term installment, monthly payments up to 72 months for $31 online. Option 4. Offer and compromise, settle for less if you genuinely qualify. Under 40% of applicants are accepted, so check the free pre-qualifier first. Option 5. Currently not collectible status, genuine hardship where any payment prevents basic living expenses. And the option that makes everything exponentially worse. Ignoring the IRS. That path leads to tax liens, wage garnishment, and bank levies. Let's go deeper on each. Here is the direct comparison. Short-term plan, 180 days to pay the full balance, 0 setup fee, available if you owe under $100,000. Long-term installment, fixed monthly payments for up to 72 months, $31 to set up online with direct debit, available for balances up to $50,000. What keeps running during both plans? The 0.5% monthly failure to pay penalty and IRS interest. A 6-year repayment plan is significantly more expensive than a 2-year plan. There is no prepayment penalty on either option, so pay as much as you can each month. One requirement before either plan is approved: you must have filed all prior year returns. If you have unfiled years, file them first. And set up direct debit, it saves $99. Eliminates missed payments, and the IRS requires it on balances between $25,000 and $50,000. The offer and compromise lets you settle for less than you owe, but only if the IRS determines you genuinely cannot pay. They evaluate your income, monthly living expenses, asset values, and future earning potential. Fewer than 40% of applications are accepted. This is not easy to qualify for. The application fee is $205, non-refundable, plus an initial payment with your offer. Here's the most important step. Before spending $1 anywhere, use the IRS's free OIC pre-qualifier tool at IRS.gov/OIC. Takes about 10 minutes. Shows your estimated offer amount and whether you're likely to qualify at 0 cost. Serious warning. Companies advertising guaranteed OIC settlements for thousands of dollars are on the IRS Dirty Dozen scam list. The free IRS tool does everything they charge for. If you don't qualify for an OIC, the long-term installment plan at IRS.gov/OPA is almost always the right next step. Currently not collectible status is the least known IRS option. If paying anything toward your tax debt would leave you unable to cover basic living expenses, rent, food, utilities, the IRS can formally suspend all collection activity. No levies. No wage garnishments. No collection calls. But CNC does not erase your debt. Interest continues accruing, and the IRS periodically reviews your financial situation. If things improve, collection resumes. The strategic element. The IRS generally has a 10-year window from the assessment date to collect. Every month in CNC status counts against that clock. To request it, call 1-800-829-1040 and have your complete monthly income and expense documentation ready. Applying for an IRS payment plan online takes about 15 minutes. Step 1. Go to IRS.gov/OPA. Step 2. Log in with ID.me, the IRS's identity verification system. Have a government-issued ID ready. One-time setup, about 5 minutes. Step 3. The portal shows your exact current balance, including all taxes, penalties, and interest. Step 4. Choose between the short-term plan, 180 days, no fee, or the long-term monthly plan. Pick what your cash flow realistically supports. Step 5. Set up direct debit. Saves $99 in fees, eliminates missed payments, and the IRS requires it on balances between $25,000 and $50,000. Instant approval confirmation on screen. Done. 3 mistakes that turn a manageable problem into a serious one. Mistake 1. Ignoring IRS notices. Every ignored letter escalates. The IRS files a tax lien, a public record, then levies your bank account, garnishes your wages, and intercepts refunds. None of that happens with an active payment plan. Mistake 2. Defaulting your installment agreement. Missing one scheduled payment or failing to file a future return on time automatically voids your agreement. The full remaining balance becomes due immediately. Fix: direct debit and calendar reminders. Mistake 3. Paying an OIC mill. Companies charging thousands of dollars guaranteeing an OIC settlement are on the IRS Dirty Dozen scam list. The free pre-qualifier tool at IRS.gov/OIC does everything they charge for. Use it first, always. Your quick reference for everything we covered. Short-term plan, 180 days, 0 fees, under $100,000. Long-term installment, up to 72 months, $31 online, under $50,000. Offer in compromise, under 40% accepted. Check IRS.gov/OIC free pre-qualifier first. Currently not collectible. Genuine hardship. Call 1-800-829-1040. The failure to pay penalty and IRS interest keep running regardless of which option you choose until the balance is paid in full. Your action right now. Go to IRS.gov/OPA. 15 minutes. Instant approval. Don't wait. Every day without a plan, penalties keep growing. Go to IRS.gov/OPA right now. 15 minutes and you're set up. Subscribe to Gold Cipher for new financial intelligence every week.